In this video, you will discover when the Guinness Book of World Records started. Learn what the first record enrolled in the book was. Understand under whose supervision the records are maintained. Find out in which country the Guinness World Records are kept. Learn how to enroll your own record in the Guinness World Records. Explore the benefits of becoming Guinness World Record holder. Before we start, please do subscribe to this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Let's get started. The Guinness Book of World Records was first published on August 27, 1955. The idea for the book originated when Sir Hugh Beaver, then the managing director of the Guinness Brewery, had a debate about the fastest game bird in Europe during a hunting trip in the early 1950s. Realizing there was no reference book to settle such disputes, he decided to create one, leading to the birth of the Guinness Book of World Records. The first record in the book is often attributed to Sir Hugh Beaver hunting debate, but the actual book includes various records, with the first edition covering many categories like the tallest man, heaviest man, and the fastest game bird. One of the earliest notable records was for Robert Wadlow, the tallest man ever recorded. The Guinness World Record is managed by Guinness World Records Limited, which is a global brand. The company is headquartered in London, United Kingdom. The records are verified by a team of official adjudicators and researchers who ensure the accuracy and authenticity of the claims. To have your record enrolled in the Guinness World Records, follow these steps. Visit the official website. Go to the Guinness World Records website. Submit an application. Create an account and submit your record application. This includes describing your record attempt, providing evidence, and understanding the guidelines. Some applications require a processing fee, especially if you need fast-track services or want an adjudicator present at your attempt. Ensure you follow the specific guidelines provided for your record category. After you attempt, you will need to submit evidence such as videos, photos, and witness statements. The verification process can take a few weeks to months, depending on the complexity of your record. Benefits of enrolling a record. Global recognition. Holding a Guinness World Record provides worldwide recognition and can increase your personal or brand visibility. Media coverage. Many record holders receive media coverage, which can further enhance their fame or the promotion of a cause. Certificate. You receive an official certificate from Guinness World Records validating your achievement. Personal achievement. Setting a record can be a significant personal accomplishment and a source of pride. Becoming a Guinness World Record holder is a prestigious achievement and can bring lasting recognition in your field or area of expertise.